Hello YouTube, as I promised, in this tutorial we're gonna change our server in such a way that it will be able to accept multiple connections from different clients that we have. So the easiest thing to do is to grab these 4 lines of code that will get the job done into individual while true section. How? Just type while true, and that is hopefully always correct. And we need to have here indentation to avoid errors. So let's run this module, and there you go. So server is listening. So let it pass here. Now let's work with clients. 2 individual files, CleanTest and CleanTest5, with same code, so same clients. So let's run the first one in individual shell. There you go. And everything is fine. At the side of the client we have received message, and client shuts down because it's written in such a way that it will grab just that message and that's it, no further actions. But on the side of the server we see that it waits for another connection to send message to different IP. Okay, now I'm on localhost, so I have same IP here, but if you have couple of machines and you are testing this, you're gonna see your individual IPs here, probably with different port numbers. Yeah, so let's test another client, and there you go, same thing. So our clients work. Now here's the question: can we change our server in such a way that we can send a message to clients in such a way that we grab them from keyboard, like messages that we are going to type, they will be sent to individual clients? Well, let me see. First we need to grab this piece of code and put it outside for now, because when clients access our IP, we just want to send them one time one message, and that's it. There is no purpose in repeating this. When they receive this stuff, they will know what to do. But we need to send them custom like informations, like we are managers or administrators or something, and we don't want to waste our time talking too much with core workers. So we just tell them, when you arrive at job, start one of those scripts, and then you will get your information and major one for that day, like echo of the day. And maybe I will send you through keyboard a couple of other informations. So how to do that? Well, we must grab input from keyboard. Like I'm gonna construct here a little prompt, and then after that we're gonna send that thing. So connection send all that input, and don't forget to encode it, because this is networking and not printing on our own screen. So this is pretty much it. Now this will run as constantly. So let me test that with the one client. We need to restart our server again. Okay, so server listening, and let's run client, and we have connection which is immediately broken because I didn't implement also while true section here. So see this prompt, it's working from here, but I need, if I press here anything, I will not get into client because I don't have that section right here, while true section. So while true, I don't know how to type, while true, and on the side of client is done. Very simple stuff. So the next thing, we must restart our module again, and there you go, server listening. Let me just arrange this a bit up here. So server is listening, and now when I run client module, I will get prompt, and I also can type messages. So see, client is working constantly. There is no Python shell prompt here, so that means everything is fine. And also here we have prompt from server. So now we can type some kind of messages here, like you ugly dude, yeah, you stupid dude, Yeah, I definitely don't know how to type. And there you go. So that's maybe interesting practice. You wanna grab this and send it to a couple of your friends to test how they will react when they see that they have just functionality to watch what you're saying and you're just laughing in your chair and sending like messages like Slavoj Žižek, sorry, is the king, and I don't know, lobsters. Right, so guys who watched Slavoj Žižek communication with, I mean conference with, what's the name, Jordan Peterson, they will know what I'm talking about. Anyway, lobsters. So that's pretty much it. So blah blah blah, that thing work. And yeah, so in the next tutorial, I'm gonna try to construct client and server in such a way that they can talk with each other. And maybe I will arrange that to be done with both of these scripts unchanged by using them on each individual machines. So yeah, that's actually a good idea. So we don't need to change one line of code here, and two-way chat will work. That will be interesting to note. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up, and yeah, see you in next tutorial.